we will send parachutes on the guns of the foe and still get ready. Airborne from skies of blue, heading the door. We're coming. Make the ocean take your boats today. Let's go put on your boots, your jumping boots, your parachutes, get all those gliders ready to attack today. Hook up or we'll be gone.
And today on Have a Knife Day, today is December 7th, and we're continuing on our saga of opening this Boker Plus Advent Calendar, the 24 days of Knifemas. And without any further ado, let's open up December 7th. Hope your day is going well. All right, let's see what part of the knife we're going to get today. It's a Boker challenge coin. Well, you look at that. Apparently, there's a little bit more going on in this Build a Knife Advent Calendar than just the knife. So I do believe that's the Fairbairn Applegate dagger. I think I have one of these. Could be wrong. I'll let you take a look at this. You tell me what it is in the comments. And let's take a look at this. There is the famous Boker tree with the numbers 1869. So let us put this back in to space film. And let's go ahead and get our progress tray. Yesterday we did get a blade. And here are some manuals there. Here's, of course, our Boker Plus signed neck gaiter. And now here is our coin. This is my first time opening up one of these things, so, you know, this is truly an adventure. All right, thank you so much for spending time here with me today, going on this journey as we apparently build a knife and have some extra things. The challenge coin, I'll see about rotating that into my wallet because I always do carry a challenge coin with me. And with that being said, in 17 days, we're going to have a knife day.
We will send parachutes on the guns of the foe and still get ready. Airborne from skies of blue, heading the door. We're coming. Make the ocean take your boats today. Let's go put on your boots, your jumping boots, your parachute.